channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Road Beauty. Never done anything like this before. I'm gonna open some tickets, but they're not just any tickets. These are BeautyCon tickets. So I am really excited to open this up and then see what the hoopla is about activating a wristband. Pretty different, but if you're not familiar with BeautyCon, I will list down in the description box a link so you can check it out. Unfortunately, all the tickets are sold out. Okay. That's not what you came here for. You want to see what's in this box. So the box comes looking like this with the dates on there. I did get the social package, so we're going to see what comes in it. Opening the box was pretty easy. It comes with this nice decorative part, but it comes off nice and easy. And then you open up the box, and this is what it looks like inside. It says, "Take me with you." And of course, they're talking about this beautiful wristband that's purple, my favorite color. And it says social on there because I got the social package. It also comes with this brochure inside. It's really actually a way for you to get the directions on activating your wristband. It also comes with some goodies inside, some stickers and things like that. It even came with this Revlon lippy. And I can't remember the color there, but I will tell you guys in the description. And I'm gonna go ahead now and activate the wristband. Inside comes this nice little poster, as well as the instructions on how to activate your wristband. So without further ado, let's do it. So the first step to activating your wristband is going to the website. So I'm going to show you guys, well, I'm not going to show you guys how to go to the website, but all you have to do is go to the website, okay? And then once you get there, it will be this part here where you have to put in your 8-digit code. So that's the second part, the second step. Your wristband will have this little piece on there, a scanning code, and on the back you'll have a number. You put it in, and once you're done with that, you get this part where you put in all of your information. Of course, I'm not showing you that part because it's personal, but then you also can add the app to your apps. The BeautyCon, they have an app that's really interactive and helpful, and once you're done activating your wristband, you can go through that and see what's going on. Now the wristband looks like this, really comfy and cute. So you guys, I did have a little mishap, so stay tuned at the end for the bloopers on how I messed up majorly. But are any of you going to BeautyCon NYC? Definitely comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to add me on Instagram because I will be vlogging the experience, but also on my Insta story, so you can keep up. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Stay royal. I'll see you next time.
My dumbass put this BeautyCon wristband on too early. Now I can't get it off. It will not come off. What the hell?